Come with us to watch the Arsenal versus Villarreal Preseason.
This video is going to be all about Arsenal's match versus Villarreal, but every good match needs a journey to get there. So just getting on the London Overground train right now. It will take me close to there. So there are a few Arsenal fans here, but I doubt there will be as many as later on in the video. And off we go to the Emirates Stadium. 7 sisters, Tanted Underground. Oh my days, it's so busy here, man. Going just one stop. Just one stop on the Victoria line. Yeah, that's going on the video. Okay, next train, quickly. And we had to rush to get our next train, the Piccadilly line that goes straight to Arsenal train station. So this is the Arsenal station, guys. 1 minute to go into the stadium. We have 1 hour and 15 minutes final time. This is Arsenal station. And welcome to the N5. The N5 is the area where Arsenal is based.
How many people are we going to see with your flag on the back?
Probably gonna be so many, man. Already one. On the streets leading up to the Emirates, there are many shops which sell scarves, shirts, sweets, and more.
It's the entrance.
And welcome to the entrance of the Emirates. Technically not, but still part of Arsenal.
Red Army! Red Army!
And now I'm finally at the doorstep of the Emirates Stadium itself.
At the Emirates Stadium.
The real one this time.
Yeah, another Gyökeres, that's what it is.
And welcome to the Emirates.
Yeah, another Gyökeres.
So many.
Such a beautiful stadium is this.
And this is the official Arsenal merchandise shop. We can buy a wide collection of shirts and kits. Look at these beautiful decorations. So happy Arsenal has them.
We all follow the Arsenal over land and sea. We all follow the Arsenal on to victory. These are the women and the men, the legends, all the countries. Arsenal supporters. Like if your country's here.
To do that, do it right now.
The Arsenal Jamaica.
And now it's time to do a quick bag check before entering the stadium.
Guys, we're getting the stadium. In the stadium, past the tickets. Let's go!
And now we're in the stadium. A timeless sight.
Oh, the ghost is so good.
This sight will always be so beautiful.
Yes, he stopped!
Oh my days, this is Victor Gyökeres' first game.
Now, as rumour would have it, Victor Gyökeres, the new Arsenal striker, is in the lineup.
Oh, it's nice.
I can't believe he's finally playing for Arsenal. Probably couldn't handle the 5-1 loss at Sporting.
Joshua, what do you think the score prediction will be?
I think it's gonna be 4-0 for us. Villarreal's probably not gonna even get one, bro. Keep training.
Where's the man himself?
And those are the Arsenal players entering the stadium. Is Gökers gonna be there? Yes, he is. Looks like he's playing today. And Gökers is now officially a gooner. Can't wait to see him shine today. And that kid walking there, yeah, he's a kid. He's only 15, he's Max Delman. And Noni Madueke is there. So excited to see him play as well. So that's the third debut, I think, today. Also, we've got Christian Mosquera. And finally, the Villarreal players are coming. Starting with the keeper, and the other players are following shortly. Gökers is going to have an interesting battle with former gunner Pepe. Who's going to score more? This is Villarreal warming up for the match. It's going to be a hard battle for them. I'm going to appear there later, so just stay tuned. And this is the Villarreal lineup. Where's the Arsenal lineup going to come? After this? I don't think so. And the Arsenal players are finally coming out. The game's going to start soon. And this is the lineup. Goalie David Raya, then Saliba, Ben White, Saka, Martinelli, and who we've been looking for, Victor Gyökeres is officially in the lineup. Kiwior, Norgard, Nwaneri, Marino, and finally Lewis Skelly. Anthony Nwaneri kicks off for Arsenal. Saka makes the daring run to cross it in. What a shot by Gyökeres. Pepe scored for Villarreal, but Christian Norgard brings back to make 1-1. It's the first half, and this is the Goonosaurus already high-fived in. And that's me on the screen alongside Gunner's family too. And the second half is back underway. And Victor Gyökeres is coming off after his debut. And after this run, Villarreal would score their third. And that's a penalty.
Odegaard takes the penalty. Can he score?
Yes, it can, to make the score 3-2. We still need one more goal to come back though. But our hopes fell short as Villarreal won 3-2. Yeah, we're still doing a penalty shootout and Odegaard just scored. Can we win? This is Declan Rice, and yes, he scores. Kepa gives the ball to Mikel Merino, who will take the next penalty. Oh no, Villarreal are back in the penalty shootout.
Zinchenko, come on Zinchenko!
And Zinchenko scores. Now Gabriel has to score this and we'll win.
Gabriel!
my days, what a save. That is so unlucky. And it's time for sudden death, with Noni Madueke taking the penalty. If it scores, we're still in the game, as Villarreal scored the previous penalty.
Yes, Noni, come on, Noni.
Oh, Madueke missed. No ways. We lost in the normal game and in pens, but we'll come back next season. It's just the preseason, the team's just gelling together. We're gonna win next season, trust. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.